Why is the ED so desperate? Anuja Kapoor, why is the ED so desperate, treating him like a terrorist?
Jai Shri Ram, and good evening to all of you. It's very interesting when an Aam Aadmi Party become in a decorative way. They just talk about it. What I'm going to talk about is, as I'm being a lawyer of a Supreme Court also. So what I'm going to put through is that Arvind Kejriwal was given to ED custody in remand by High Court on the approval statement that is of Magunta Reddy. Supreme Court did not stay the order of the High Court. After this, the jail was being given to the Arvind Kejriwal by the High Court, and where we see...
I'm sorry to interrupt you. Delhi Minister Saurabh Bhardwaj, first reaction from Aam Aadmi Party. Let's quickly listen.
कि आप कह रहे हैं 40 करोड़ का तो खर्चा गोवा के इलेक्शन में कर दिया, बाकी 60 करोड़ का कहां खर्चा हुआ? तो ईडी ने कहा हम इन्वेस्टिगेशन कर रहे हैं। कोर्ट ने पूछा कब तक कर लेंगे, तो कोई समय नहीं है। तो आप इन्वेस्टिगेशन करते रहेंगे तो क्या हमेशा जब तक आपकी इन्वेस्टिगेशन चलेगी अरविंद केजरीवाल जेल में रहेंगे? ये तो कोई कानून नहीं है। आगे उन्होंने कहा ये 100 करोड़ रुपए के बारे में भी जो कहा जा रहा है कि इसमें 40 करोड़ के बारे में 100 में से 40 करोड़ रुपए गुजरात गोवा के इलेक्शन में खर्च हो गए हैं, इसका भी कोई सबूत ईडी कोर्ट के सामने नहीं रख पाई है। ये बात ऑर्डर के अंदर आई है, यानी कि कोई सबूत ईडी कोर्ट के सामने नहीं रख पा रही। आगे जिस बात के बारे में बार बार अरविंद केजरीवाल जी और आम आदमी पार्टी कहती है कि कोई सबूत नहीं है, सिर्फ कुछ आरोपियों को लालच देके, डरा धमका के, जेल का डर दिखा के, उनकी गवाहियों को बदलवा के अरविंद केजरीवाल को फंसाया गया है। वो बात कोर्ट में भी कही गई। कोर्ट ने क्या कहा आप सुनिए। कोर्ट ने कहा an important submission has been made by the learned ASG during the arguments on behalf of ED, whereby making submissions in respect of the credibility of approvers that quote किया है, investigation is an art. Sometimes one accused is given a lollipop of bail and pardon and induced with some assurance to make them tell the story behind the offense. आगे कोर्ट कहती है the court has to take a pause to consider this argument, which is not a portable submission that...
So very interesting. You will see each side quote from the judgment that suits them. Saurabh Bhardwaj is quoting from what the trial court said in its judgment, Anuja Kapoor, pardon me, and he is saying the same thing, that you do not have evidence against him, and it's an art. Artistically, ED has kept him behind bars.
So that's what I'm saying. This is a very interesting thing. Arvind Kejriwal's the whole government, they try to pick and choose the things which they want to speak. So first of all, there is a precedent of the things. Secondly, Supreme Court can stay the order of the High Court. High Court can stay the order of the lower courts. This is the precedent that has been followed. This is undoubtedly the things have been there. The contention in the High Court, on which the order has been stayed. First, ED has not been heard. Second, Section 45 PMLA was not dealt properly. Third, the timings are contrary to the actual facts. Where you remember, it has been talked about. ECIR has been registered in July and August.
Okay.
So that was being another point. And High Court findings were not considered. This is being said by the High Court itself. And what are the High Court findings? Is that they approve the approver, they approve Magunta Reddy, which is the proceedings of the crimes of rupees 100 crores, which has been taken up on AK, who is Arvind Kejriwal, who's been guilty on 2 counts. So rupees 45 crore has already been traced, and the proceedings of crimes has been forwarded, and it has been done in Goa.
Okay.
Now for another rupees 55, we need him. Manush Sisodhia is not out. First thing. Secondly, K. Kavita is still inside. Thirdly, what we are talking about is the supremacy of the law. The natural justice did not follow, which should have been followed. And there is the problem when the Supreme Court has also believed in the approvers and have said that. So this is, I don't believe this is a legal contention. It has to be dealt legally.
Okay, who does Ariwala?
It is Sarath Reddy who became an approver. 8 of his initial judgments did not even have Arvind Kejriwalji's name, and then suddenly he becomes an approver. He becomes, like this person speaking for the BJP, and then Arvind Kejriwalji's name is taken, whereas he is the one who had given proceeds. Proceeds of crime were established in his case. He had given, a huge substantial amount worthy of 55 crores to the BJP as electoral bonds. So what is Anjuji even talking about? I'm not sure here, because Vijay Nair, who was initially given, turned approver in the case, there is nothing that links him and Arvind Kejriwal, number one. Number two, the proceeds of crime against Arvind Kejriwalji, or for that matter, even Manoj Sisodia-ji, has not been established as yet.
But madam,
Not in
all
one
of this,
degree,
if
not
it has
even
to be
one degree.
established, will be done in a court of law. The simple argument was that the trial court did not even appreciate the evidence.